What basic, children's age-level fact did you only find out embarrassingly later in life? 1. Okay, so I grew up on a small farm. We had cows, chickens, pig, rabbits, and goats, and more. On occasion, we had to shear the goats. The goats would hold very still when being sheared, like statues still. I saw this on a pretty regular occasion. When my parents would take me to get a haircut, they would tell the barber to give me a billy goat cut. Of course, to me, this meant hold really still, so I did. Had the same barber for a long time. Eventually, he passed when I was in high school, leaving me to find a new barber. Imagine my and the new barber's surprise when he said, "How do you want it cut?" And I said, "I just want a normal billy goat cut." This is one of those things that makes me cringe at night. 2. My cousin's name. Growing up, we'd always called her Tori. Always that and nothing else. A couple years ago, well into my 20s, she's visiting and we go to a restaurant. Our waitress comes up and says, "Hi there, my name's Victoria and I'll be taking care of you." My cousin says, "Oh neat, that's my name too." I was surprised by that cause my dumbass never put together that Tori was short for Victoria.